how to log in into Chase Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can log in into your online bank account of Chase Bank. In order to do that procedure, first of all you'll have to install the application, or you can also use your web browser. In my case I'm going to use an application, so for that you need to install the application. Now open up a Play Store and type in Chase Bank, install the application. It seems that I've already installed the application. Now click the open button once you've already installed the app. Now go through the agreements, click the accept button by going on, and make sure to allow all of these permission. So as you can see, there are two different options indicating that whether you want to create an account or sign in. If you don't have an account, click the sign up button. If you already have an account, go and tap the sign in button. In order to begin with, you can either enter in your username, or you can also use a thumbprint and then a password associated. Once you're done entering the information, if the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged in into your account. However, for some reason, if you're unable to log in, click on forgot user ID or a password, and it's going to help you to retrieve or regain your account. So in that way, you can log in into your Chase online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.